Our next recipient this morning, Mr. Vivek Bhaskar Gadgil, Chief Executive and Managing Director, Larsen & Toubro Metro Rail, Hyderabad Limited, has over 40 years of rich and varied experience in construction and related fields. A graduate civil engineer from Marathwada University and a gold medalist of the 1971 batch, he began his professional career as a site engineer in L&T's Engineering and Construction Company. During his 40-year tenure at L&T, he has held various senior leadership positions in L&T Construction Division, including being at the helm of affairs of L&T's international construction business for over a decade. He has also successfully led L&T's electrical business, that's power transmission and distribution, in India and overseas. Mr. Vivek Gadgil, a hardcore civil engineer, is acclaimed for his deft project execution capabilities under all odds and is deemed as a magnificent leader. I spoke to a few of his colleagues over the course of the past couple of days in gathering information about him, and one of the things that kept coming up as a repeated theme is how his entire team, his entire firm look at him as the mentor and not so much as their leader. In that sense, to be a source of inspiration for scores of young engineers across his company, across the nation, is something that I think was very unique in the feedback that I got about Mr. Gadgil. He is an avid reader, a widely traveled person, and has a natural flair for storytelling and loves sharing his enormous experience and expertise with his peers and younger generations. An athlete and swimmer in his youth, he still pursues his interest in photography. Mr. Gadgil is also a trekking enthusiast and undertakes trips to Mansarovar and Rishikesh regularly. As much as a professional, Mr. Gadgil is equally family-oriented, and in spite of his travel schedule and gargantuan professional commitments, he sets aside spending time with his family as a priority. He has 2 professionally qualified daughters who are both settled abroad, and 4 grandchildren who I understand are Azoba's pets. And I also have found out that a man of his stature, when he's playing with his grandchildren, seems to forget every other problem and everything else in the world and just loses himself in his lovely grandchildren. India chapter of ACI gratefully appreciates the sterling qualities of Mr. Gadgil and is privileged to bestow this honor on him at the hands of Dr. Anne Ellis, President ACI, acknowledging his outstanding lifetime achievements to the entire civil engineering fraternity. Sir.
Standing in front of all the stalwarts of the industry, it's really a very, very humbling experience. It's really difficult to express my thanks to India chapter of ACI and all the office bearers, and I would like to dedicate this lifetime award to my civil engineering profession because I am very proud to be a civil engineer.